How to connect your MetaTrader account with TradingView. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can connect your MetaTrader account with TradingView. So after opening TradingView, you can see that there is an arrow option at the bottom of the screen. So you're just going to click on that and a panel will be opened. So select the option Trading Panel. And here you can see that there are a number of brokers. However, you will not be able to find MetaTrader 5, and that's why, because currently you can log in with your MT4 MT5 account on TradingView, but trading is not available for these accounts. So hopefully in future they will enable this option, but not right now. So what I suggest is that you can come back to the trading panel and go down, scroll down to click on open account. So here there are a number of brokers, so I suggest you to open an account on any of these.